Welcome to a new video, guys. Today we're going to be working on the Skylines again. Earlier I got some 1-inch tubing from the steel yard, and we're going to be using that to try to make some sort of brace that will help us attach the new front end that will be hopefully transferring onto this Skyline. It's going to be a weird piece. I've never seen anyone do this before, and hopefully it works. I'm pretty sure it's going to work, but don't really know how to explain it, so I'm just going to start building it, and by the end of the episode, hopefully you guys will understand what I'm thinking of. We're going to do some arts and crafts now. As you guys can see, it's getting pretty late tonight, so I'm probably not going to get a lot done today. But what I can get done is I can make a bunch of templates from the firewall on the inside of the engine bay, so that in the morning I can put them on some pieces of steel, cut them out, and be ready to go with this shit. Oh well. Transmission. Ooga booga. Okay. So we got a bunch of templates made for different spaces on the firewall and such. We'll put those bad boys to use in the morning. Yep. Alright, I'm just gonna send this one. Hopefully we're in focus-ish. So I just made 2 of these pieces. They're both pretty hot. One of them's under the car. Here it is. That one's even hotter. But these guys are going to fit into these strut tower brace brackets, and this is gonna be the beginning of our jig. 28.5. I basically have my strut bar thing made, so and it's prepped to be tacked together, so I'm gonna get it solid in place and tack it. I'm gonna weld this not in the car. Alright, so I just bolted in the strut bar. This dude is solid as hell. Yeah, this is totally overkill. I'm gonna go from where the strut bar goes to the brake booster and where the strut bar goes to the windshield wiper motor area. I might also go from the strut bar to here. We'll see. I'm just gonna keep on doing my thing and see how far we get tonight. It's good though. I'm gonna give that guy a tack weld and a weld, and we will keep on marching. The camera has almost no more juice left in it, but I'm gonna try to get these guys tacked on before it goes. we'll try to be quick with this. I got them all cleaned off, ready to go. So hopefully welding shouldn't be too bad. Alright guys, so I brought the camera back out to show you guys where I left things off. I took the whole bar piece out of the car and I welded it all the way around, and I hit it with a very light layer of self-etching primer. I've talked to you guys about this stuff before. It basically just eats its way into whatever you paint and says primer. It's super toxic, but it does the job well. Hopefully this will keep it from rusting overnight because it's going to be really moist and cold. But yeah, this is where I'm leaving it. Have the strut to firewall section done for the most part, I think. I'm not totally sure I'm going to use that bracket because I don't know if there's really a spot for it. I think that guy back there is going to attach to the between the subframe and the transmission mount when I make that brace, hopefully tomorrow. But I guess we'll see how things go. Fuck, I don't know how to do this anymore. Too cold. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm really excited with how this whole strut brace, firewall brace, Skyline jig thing is coming out, and it's making me really excited to, I don't know, just I'm excited. I think it's gonna work out, and yeah, feeling positive, man. Hope you guys have a good night, and see you tomorrow, hopefully. Later. Wait, that's not where fingers go.